A Ukrainian Special Forces soldier utilized a captured Faggot anti-tank guided missile, a TGM system mounted on the roof of a Kraz Spartan armored vehicle, to engage an abandoned Russian BMP-3. The engagement took place east of the settlement of Blahodatany in the Donetsk region, where Ukrainian forces have been actively targeting abandoned and damaged Russian equipment to prevent their recovery and reuse by enemy troops. During the strike, the first missile launched from the improvised TGM platform missed its target, landing roughly 70 meters away from the BMP-3. However, the second missile successfully hit the vehicle, ensuring its destruction. This operation highlights the adaptability of Ukrainian forces, who continue to repurpose captured weapons and vehicles to maximize their battlefield effectiveness against Russian assets. This incident underscores the resourcefulness and improvisational tactics of Ukrainian forces, who have repeatedly demonstrated the ability to repurpose captured or salvaged weaponry to maintain the pressure on Russian units. Mounting the Soviet-era Faggot system on a Kraz Spartan, an armored vehicle commonly used for reconnaissance and troop transport, turned it into an effective mobile anti-armor platform capable of engaging targets at standoff ranges. The destruction of the BMP-3 also reflects Ukraine's ongoing efforts to deny Russia the benefits of abandoned equipment, which is often recovered and refurbished for redeployment. By ensuring such vehicles are completely neutralized, Ukrainian forces continue to degrade the enemy's combat potential while showcasing their ingenuity and resilience on the battlefield.